everyone, I am Moidul Islam from Guwahati, India. I am the founder and CEO of a company called Blindspot Media. First of all, I am thankful to all the members of International Trade Council to give me this opportunity to speak here today to all of you from so many different countries and origins. It is wonderful to see the enthusiasm we have here today, still untamed in spite of the terror of COVID-19. Funnily enough, I started my company in December 2019 and soon after 3-4 months, the pandemic hit India. I remember the rush just before the lockdown and the sleepless nights that followed after that. We all survived, but there are a few aftermath that remained, one of which is increase in the demand of online businesses. Now here are today's agenda. What is local SEO? Why is it important? Some industry insights on local SEO. How does it work? And what should we do to get a perfect ranking on local SERP? So let's start by understanding what is local SEO. So for those who are new to this subject, SEO is search engine optimization. So whenever you search a query on Google, SEO is the part that helps you rank on Google search result page. Local SEO is the practice of optimizing a business's web presence for increased visibility in localized organic search engine results. And here are the 3 pillars of local SEO: proximity, prominence, and relevance. Local SEO employs a wide array of technical and creative efforts to convince search engines that a business should be prominent in their results as a relevant answer to online searchers in close proximity to each business location. So let's see an example to understand how the 3 pillars work for different intention of queries. So let's take an example of ordering food, let's say pizza. So there could be 3 kinds of queries: best pizza in town, number 2, pizza near me, and number 3, thin crust pizza near me. So as you can see, all the searches are related to pizza but have different search intent. In the first query, best pizza in town, prominence is taking over relevance and proximity because the person is looking for the best possible pizza delivery center. So in the first query, you can see best pizza in town. Here prominence will overtake relevance and proximity because the person is trying to search the best pizza in town. So only the restaurants which are very prominent and which are selling pizza will show up in the search result page. Whereas in pizza near me, proximity will play the major role because the person is searching for the pizza for the nearest location. Thin crust pizza near me is a very specific query. So the restaurant needs to have pizza and it needs to have thin crust pizza, and it also needs to be in the same proximity. So relevance will take over proximity and prominence in this case. So now let's see why local SEO is so important and why the demand of local SEO is going high. Out of all the searches that happens worldwide, 92% of them comes from Google searches only. It is estimated that around 2 trillion searches per year are done on Google, and out of which 46% searches have local intent. That's around 0.8 trillion. This is what you can expect to see getting better if you are doing your local SEO properly. An increase in the footfall in store, an increase in phone calls, an increase in form submissions, an increase in driving request directions, increase in click-through rates, and a very good increase in positive reviews as well. Now let's take a look at some of the interesting insights about local SEO for both users and businesses. 78% of businesses agree that Google has become the new homepage for local businesses because all the top marketers, they are more focused on Google nowadays. 51% of businesses will continue to invest in the new methods Google has launched after COVID-19. 42% of companies have adopted an automated approach to local SEO, and 33% of companies have not prepared for mobile first indexing. So mobile first indexing includes accelerated mobile pages, which is very important nowadays in the latest upgrade of Google. So you should be really looking into mobile first indexing. So in terms of users, over the last 2 years, searches for local places without the qualifier of near me have grown to 150%, which is a huge amount. Over 50% of auto parts and service shoppers use mobile search to call the service provider directly from a search result. Searches for dermatologists near me have grown globally by over 70% year on year. And similarly for searches of massage places near me has also increased globally by 200% year on year. Now let's take a glimpse of how actually local SEO works. There are three signals that counts for ranking in local queries. These three signals are local listing, on page and off page. Local listing signals are basically setting up your Google My Business account properly, which includes local category selection and adding a description to your business to actually setting up your whole account and getting it verified. On-page signals includes everything, all the changes that needs to be done on the website. That includes content, title tag, meta description, body tags, alt tags, and so on. Also, schema and relevant reviews and URL structure are very important nowadays on on-page SEO. And the third one is off-page signals. These are the signals that you build outside your website. For example, guest blogging or guest posting in which you actually put a backlink to your website. High authoritative backlinks with news or informative websites. High quality content with proper alt text. So these are the things that you can do to which actually will help your local SEO. Now let's see what are the things that you can do for your business which will help you in your SEO, and these are majorly three things: a thorough research and analysis of keywords and competitors of your business, troubleshooting all the technical issues that you have in your website, mapping your workflow for local SEO. And I've made a very generic workflow for your local SEO, and here it is. Optimize your Google My Business, that is very important. That is the most crucial part of local SEO. Engage your social media and add posts to Google My Businesses as well. Ensure the NAP consistency is there online. That is the name, address, and phone number. Optimize online directories and citations. Perform a local SEO audit for your business. You'll know a lot of important factors about your business that you might not have looked into. Improve your internal linking structures by creating more blogs and more content on your website. Optimize URL, title tags, headers, meta description, and content with relevant keywords. Add location pages to your website. This is a very mandatory rule of SEO. You need to have location pages in your website. Create local content which is appealing to the local community. Ensure your website is mobile friendly and has AMP pages. Get inbound links with relevance and authority. So thank you all of you for being here today. That's all from me for today's session. Let's keep on working smart, working together and winning together. Feel free to reach out to us for any queries or maybe have a chat with us at info@mediablindspot.com or visit us on our website www.mediablindspot.com. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.